What's the meaning of ascribable? Ascribable. Ascribable.
Ascribable. Ascribable. The word ascribable refers to something that can be attributed or credited to a particular source or cause. It is often used to describe characteristics or qualities that are associated with a specific person, group, or thing. For example, an achievement may be ascribable to a person's hard work and dedication, or a problem may be ascribable to a particular policy or decision. In essence, ascribable implies that there is a direct or indirect relationship between the cause and effect, and that the effect can be traced back to a particular source or origin.